morning, good evening, good afternoon, internet from where you are. My name is Django and I'm excited to talk about the mega project. I'm talking about vehicle manufacturing plant in Uganda. So if you don't know, there's a brand new vehicle factory or plant which has been launched by Uganda recently. In my opinion, I think that's a game changer for the country as Uganda and the continent of Africa. As you all know, recently, for ages, Uganda has been investing so much money, billions of money, in importing vehicles from abroad. Not just Uganda, but even other countries in Africa, which is way expensive. Yeah, so African countries are spending so much money to buy vehicles from different countries, which is insanely expensive. So I think that's a great opportunity for a country like Uganda to start manufacturing their own vehicles. It's really, really impressive. It's absolutely amazing. Uganda to have their own vehicles at home, made and invented by Ugandans, for Ugandans and for the rest of the world. So I'm sorry if the video is not if the voice is not super clear. Right now I'm on the highway driving. Yeah, so just excuse me for that if the volume is not so clear. I'm sorry about that. I apologize for that. I don't have my mic here, so I would have used it. So back to the topic. Why do you think, reasons why you think, or why I think this project is a game changer in the mobility industry? Reason number one, this project places Uganda on the global or competitive market for car manufacturing countries. So instead of going to buy from other countries, let's support Uganda. Let's buy our own. Let's support African innovations. Let's support African businesses. I think that's a great thing to do for Africans. Because, to be honest, every single time you buy a car, I don't want to mention the names, but it's really good to buy the vehicles, or not just vehicles, products made in Africa, not just Uganda, in Africa, by Africans. Let's support each other, Africa. So that's one of the advantages or benefits. So Uganda right now, it's becoming one of the top nations in manufacturing vehicles. Okay, maybe the plant has not started like producing the estimated numbers of vehicles maybe per week or per month or per year, but it's already done. Okay, what was a dream, it become a reality. Which is fabulous, which is such a good thing for the country of Uganda. So I'm hoping even other countries would come up to do the same thing. Other countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and so on and so forth. I hope those countries would also come up to do such projects for their continent. Because Africa as a continent, we've been always relying on other countries to buy vehicles for decades. And just imagine how much money the country spends outside purchasing vehicles from another country. It's billions and billions. So that's very good for Uganda and Africa. So I call upon whoever is watching this video to come up with the same ideas, same positive minds, same energy. Let's woman up, man up, pull up our socks, support African products, which is very good for Africa. So because wherever you go, every car you see, this is made in this country, it's made in this country. It makes them proud, so proud. So we want to be proud.
Speed camera ahead.
So we want to make them proud and support our own products, our own innovations, our own industrialization. Build Africa. So another reason is job creation. So this facility, if I'm not wrong, is one of the biggest, largest vehicle plant on the continent. It's absolutely incredible, it's absolutely amazing. It's one of the biggest so far. I'm not sure if there is others in other countries, but in my lifetime it's the one I've seen so far, which is so huge. All right, thank you to the Ugandan government and to the University of Makere for your efforts and for your good work you've done for this nation. So yeah, we thank the government of Uganda and whoever was involved in this innovation to put up this project. Yeah, keep it up and keep doing the same for our nation. So another thing, actually, yeah, so I was still talking about job creation. This project is going to create thousands, if not hundreds, thousands of jobs. Thousands and thousands of jobs, which is a good thing for the country. So for the youth, they'll be having jobs in different sectors. Those who are in engineering, those who are in design, electrical engineering, civil engineering, whatever field you are in. So it's a good opportunity for the country in terms of job creation. So another benefit, this project is going to help gonna help to help to grow other industries. Sorry, a guy was driving like he's asleep. So that project is gonna help to build more industries actually, because vehicles need different components. A vehicle comes up with so many components. So this component, the other component, this component. Yeah, so it's gonna be helpful for the country to grow in different components manufacturing, which is absolutely good. So if you're manufacturing tires, you could sell tires also to the factory. If you're manufacturing maybe any component required for the vehicle or for the buses, you can also like sell to them, because a vehicle industry or factory, they don't manufacture everything. So that means so many people will be supplying. It's like a supply chain of different commodities.
Ahead.
Yeah, so it's very important for the country in terms of job creation and add revenue. It's a source of government revenue as well. And another benefit is I just mentioned it, government revenue. So other countries who are coming to
red light camera reported ahead.
Who are coming to buy vehicles, they'll be bringing in like revenue in the country, which is also a good thing. Yeah, so countries like Kenya, Tanzania, even other countries will be coming to purchase vehicles from Uganda. So imagine how much money will be coming in as revenue. That's such a great thing. And yeah, I think I'm about to end my video. But that's what I wanted to talk about the beautiful, magnificent project in Uganda. Okay, so if you like this video, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, share to others. Maybe it could be helpful for those who are not having this information yet. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers.